Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Ashan and today we have a lot to do. Going outside for some shopping. We have arrived. It's windy today. Let's go in the mall. Shopping for some shoes. They don't have the best here, so I'm looking at trousers. Have a look at these sparkling dresses. My mom bought shoes. Just like the song that you. Now we're leaving. Glasses on. Bought a KFC burger and my sister bought fries. Alright, so we are back home now. Now we're leaving for our road trip. I'm done packing. I'm in a hurry right now. We are leaving and this will be the first road trip of this channel and I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. We are 560 kilometers away from our destination. It's gonna be a 9-hour drive. It's gonna be fun. We made a stop to buy some snacks and join our aunt's family on the trip. It's the break of dawn. We stopped here. It's an amazing place. We had some tea. Now we're leaving. We are now gonna continue traveling and let's go. Bought some peanuts and ice cream. Rain made everything more beautiful. It's raining, it's a great weather, and the previous shots were amazing. They were really good, and I'm standing right here having the greatest time. are in the tunnel now. It's quite long. Now in a hotel eating breakfast, and those previous shots, those views, the mountains and everything was stunning. It was beautiful. It was very amazing. Still a few hours left to reach our destination. We stopped here. Look at the view. It's all beautiful, it's all amazing. We are having a great time. This area is still in construction. They are building a water dam. Arrived at our destination, Naran, and we've been traveling since 2 a.m. without sleeping. We are looking for a hotel to stay in. The views were amazing, the mountains were stunning, but the travel was so long. Going back to car.
Let me see you walking.
Here at another hotel, my father is checking it out. If you like it, we'll book it. Mountains are behind me. We stopped at a restaurant and ordered some food, and I'm trying my best to keep this day productive, and I really enjoy it. So we found a hotel room. on the 4th floor. Going up by stairs. Hi, this is the second day and I couldn't record that much yesterday because we were sleepy, we went to sleep, and I'm gonna do a room tour right now, starting from the amazing and beautiful view from the terrace. Let me show you. Have a look at this beautiful and amazing view. Mountains, the clouds, it's very beautiful. The room, it has 2 rooms. One bedroom has 2 beds and the another has 1 master bed. And yeah, that's it. And right now we are leaving the hotel, going outside to see some nature and to enjoy, have some fun. And I'm gonna end this video right here. And I hope you enjoy the travel vlogs and have a great time.